All right, so we're going to start our conversation about functions, and before we do that, we're going to do a quick review of how do we evaluate an expression. Okay? An expression, remember, is a string of terms with no equal sign. So our expression is 2x plus 1, our variable is x, and its value is 4, so we replace x with 4, and then we do the arithmetic. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Okay. X is 21, x minus 9 is my expression, so 21 minus 9, and that is equal to 12. Okay. R is equal to 4, x is equal to 5, so 2 times 4 minus 5 plus 4 is what we're going to evaluate. So 2 times 4 is 8, 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, A is 1/2, and we're going to evaluate this expression. So 6 times 1/2 minus 2, which is in the parentheses, and then plus 4 times 1/2. Okay, so 6 times 1/2 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 times 1/2 is 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, if A equals 3, so we take 6 times 3 minus 1 plus 3. Well, 1 plus 3 is inside the parentheses, that's 4. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 take away 4 is 14. Okay, so that's how we evaluate an expression. All right, so for this next little bit, we're going to watch a video that somebody else made, and you're going to fill in the blanks on your sheet. Okay? So... Okay, so what should come out? Think about it. What do you predict? How about that one? What do you think happened? The 2 became a 4. Make a prediction. Okay, does it work? Did your prediction work for 5 as well? Okay, so hopefully you have filled out your paper appropriately, and you are now ready to look at some new vocabulary. Okay, so the definitions, there's a thing called a relation, which is a set of ordered pairs x and y. So it could be the number of touchdowns to the number of field goals. It can be any 2 numbers you can come up with. Okay. When we talk about a function, though, it's a set of ordered pairs x and y in which each x coordinate is paired with only one y, so that no x coordinate is repeated. Okay. There are different ways to figure out if a relation is a function. One, you can use the vertical line test, and that means draw a vertical line through a graph, and if it touches more than once, then the graph is not a function. For a set of ordered pairs or tables, you just check the x values. If one repeats, then it's not a function. Okay? All right, so here we have a set of ordered pairs, and we're going to check and see, is it a function? So we look at our x values, which is 3, 0, 5, and 1, and since none of those values repeated, this is a function. Okay. Then we look at our next set of ordered pairs, 0, 8, 0. Oh, I already said 0. Both of that's a repeat, so that is not a function. Okay. Table works the same way. We look at our x values. We have no repeats, so this would be a function. Here, -2 repeats, so this is not a function. All right. In a mapping, we look at right here where the lines come off. This means -1 is only used once. Okay, so that single line. This 0 has 2 lines coming off of it, so that means it was used twice, which means not a function. Okay. Here, each of the x values is only used once, so this would be a function. Okay. And then we do our vertical line test. You simply draw a vertical line anywhere, and you can see we hit the graph here and here. That's more than once. Okay, so this is not a function. Right. And then I can draw vertical lines all over this line, but there's no way I'm ever going to touch it more than once, so this would be a function. Okay, so now it's time for you to get to work on functions 1.